Woo! She's an easy lover. She'll take your heart, but you won't feel it. What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money, back with another daggone video. All right, so today, y'all, today, I got a big surprise, man, for me, for my car, and for you guys, man. The Grizzly Gang 300 gang. What's good? What's up, y'all? All right, so look. So today, Grizzly, Marty, Black Beauty, we about to upgrade, you know. We definitely about to upgrade. we definitely gonna stay with the 300 because the 300 is my car. I love this thing to death. All right, but Black Beauty is about to get a facial. You feel me? Black Beauty is about to get what else she about to get? She about to get her a facial. What else? She about to get a massage. She about to get I don't know what else to say. But Black Beauty is about to get a change. Black Beauty is about to get wrapped. All right, so look, y'all, I want y'all to take a good look at Black Beauty. Look at her. Look at her curves. Look at that. When you look at a woman, fellas, you're supposed to look at the curves, you know. You want to see what you're gonna have in the future. All right, that's what y'all need to do. This is Black Beauty. This is my woman right here. Not really my woman. Y'all know who my woman is. Y'all see all the time. All right, but this is my car, baby. Ooh, she looking good because the sun is like hitting like perfectly. It's like behind that cloud, so it's like a photograph right now. Let me see. Click. But y'all, we about to get a wrap. This is really amazing for me. This is really amazing for my channel. I've been wanting to get this for a minute. The snow and everything just been killing it for me getting everything. I was supposed to get it earlier, but I decided to get like more mods and stuff like that, y'all. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like, and go ahead and share this video, man. All right, help your boy out, man. And I appreciate it if you do not skip any of the ads. All right, please don't do that. Help me out, because the rap ain't cheap either. But like I'm saying, y'all, welcome to the Grizzly Gang, if you are Grizzly Gang. And if you didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe, man. Get yourself into the Grizzly Gang, man, because we coming out with bangers every single daggone day. You feel me? All right, but let's go ahead and get this cold start. This is what I do every time I get a cold start Black Beauty, because she is straight piped, you know. Good blow. Disappoint me at all. She might even get louder when she get excuse me, about to give out all the golden eggs and golden goose eggs, you know. But Black Beauty, man, she about to change. Oh, I'm just looking at that front of her though, is just so aggressive. Like when you look at that, ooh, that thing aggressive. And if y'all don't know, I got the carbon fiber. They're that East Coast Hydrographic. All right. But I'm gonna go ahead and move my car. I also have a Mazda 3 is over there. I'm about to go move right here so nobody will take my spot, because I like my Black Beauty to stay, you know, by herself. You know, I don't gotta worry about people touching her and stuff like that. You know, this is my prize, my thing, so I'm gonna take care of it as best as I can. But y'all, we about to go ahead to my boy Jason's house. Oh yeah, y'all forgot, I ain't changed the side markers, but I did change the rear. I changed the rear side markers, man. Do it look good? Y'all can comment down below, let me know. I didn't change the front. I actually like the front kind of like this, because it got the orange in the front. Kind of look a little spectacular. But I ain't gonna wrap y'all to death, man. We about to go get this wrap. I'm not gonna show y'all the wrap color to the end, to the very end. So some of the stuff is gonna be in black and white. We about to test my editing skills, man. I think I can edit pretty good. I've been doing it all the time, so we about to test these skills out. We about to go ahead and get this done. I see y'all at my boy Jason's house, and deuces. I probably get a little rollaways and stuff like that, but I gotta charge my phone and stuff because it's dead. I've been knocked out, but I see y'all there. Peace. All right, Grizzly Gang. All right, so as you see, I'm at my boy Jason's house. You know, he already started. Woo! So I'm gonna have to like I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do it black and white right now. Until the wrap starts showing, that's when it's gonna be black and white. You know, but yeah, he got some mean tires. He got the Nitto joints on there. I know them tires, bro. I be looking at them things. Them things pricey. But yeah, we about to get this wrap going. Y'all probably already know what it was. Like I said, it's not gonna be an extravagant wrap. I'm still trying to get like some type of another wrap like during like the summertime. But we're gonna see how everything goes. You know, I got a bunch of surprises, you know, going on. So if that, you know, the other surprise, you know, messes with it, I'll have to, you know, postpone that to another time. But yeah, we're about to get started. Comment down below if y'all already know what it is, what color. All right. Everything should be in black and white right now, but I'm not gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a sample and what the front gonna look like. I was gonna close all the way up. Of course, you know you got Jason.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
We're back at it.
Back at it again, man. Still got more to do. Cause this is just not the, you know, the finale. We're gonna have more wraps. So yeah, subscribe. I look good in black and white. Yeah, so got my little thing. Yeah. Grizzly gang. All right, man, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show y'all the car. But what it is that let me get in the sunlight. All right, so what it is that the video took 2 days to make. So as you see, I'm in a whole different new attire, but that's all cool, man. So what it was that the light, oh, I see y'all. What it was is that the sun, it just started going down. You know, it's still somewhat winter time, but it feels somewhat good. It's cold, but it's cold today. It's really windy. I got the little wind thing on the GoPro, so hopefully that blocks some of the wind out, you know. So what it is, I'm about to reveal the wrap to y'all. So what it is, I got something simple. As y'all seen on the post, yeah, I got some stripes. Yeah, but it's a big thing. It's a major thing for the channel. It's something to really make my 300 stand out, because my 300 is black. It's black and orange, but is the stripes give it more of a something unique, something to make it stand out a little. My 300, you know. Of course, this wrap is not going to be last for that long, because I am planning to get a full body wrap on the car during the summer, but I got more plans for the 300 before I actually get that wrap. I want to get a few more things before that, but man, it is looking good. It is looking chunky, I'm telling you, man. So I'm about to go ahead and give y'all a few I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just show y'all right now, and then I'm gonna get a couple of B-roll, and then I'm gonna show y'all in a few. All right. y'all see the car behind me, dude. Like the words don't describe like how appreciative I am. Shout out to my boy Jason. I'll put his IG and everything on there because he's also gonna do my full body wrap also too. But like I said, I just wanted something simple, y'all. Y'all hear the thing ground? Ooh, she sound good. So I wanted something simple that make my car stick out. So I got the satin black, of course, because my car is a gloss black. So I got the satin black with the orange. So as you see that, the orange pinstripes on it, it just really make it stick out, really make it, it's not like too pop, like it doesn't like pop, but it's just like, oh, that's stealthy, oh, that's slick, you know, like, dude, my car looking good as a mug, right? Boy, when them lowering springs come in, I'm gonna be sized, bro. I'm gonna have to ride a little slower, but I don't mind. I mean, I keep my car real clean, keep it real nice and decent. But dude, y'all comment down below right now. Tell me what y'all think about my 300 wrap, cause I'm loving this thing, bro. I love orange. Orange is like one of my favorite colors. Of course, green is my favorite color, but orange is like my second favorite color. So I'm really just loving this, man. And it's really stealthy. Like I said, I always wanted a black car to just keep it, you know, nice and clean. I can't wait to change the front ones in there. It looks like it's like reflecting a little bit, but it's not like the rotor. But dude, the orange and the caliper covers really make it pop out. So you like, okay, he got the orange and black. I see you, dog. Yeah, you know, I'm just talking about mine and stuff like that. That's just me. But I'm loving this thing. Do you see it? Like, that's me. That's Grizzly. When you see this car, this is Grizzly Marty's car. So it's like, all right, you see a bunch of 300s. You always want to stick out when you have a certain car, just like the Dodge Chargers. It's a hella Dodge Charger, you know, but you want to make your Dodge Charger your own car. You really want your car to stick out, and you really want to make it look good and all that. So this is what makes my 300 stick out. I probably seen this wrap. It's funny because I seen a Trackhawk just like this. I can't remember his name, but I seen a Trackhawk like that, and I was like, dude, that's the same thing I want to do to my car. And I hit him up and everything, but he's like, man, go ahead and do it. So I'm not copying off of nobody. I had the same vision, but as I was looking on IG, you know, we have billions of people on this world. Somebody's bound to have something like you. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna bring you to the 300, man. So hey, 300 gang, we got one, man. So yeah, tell me how y'all like the wrap. I'm really excited about it, bro. We got so many things coming, Grizzly gang, but this wrap right here, I don't think I showed y'all the top. So I already know I got the panoramic view, the panoramic roof, you know, so I can see the stars at night. But I am planning on getting some stars in the inside, maybe. My dude told me, my bro, he told me he probably could do that. No, actually, he didn't say probably, he said he can do that. But I'm loving this. Oh, like words can't describe. Hey, shout out to you. Yeah, shout out to you, Jason. You are the king of the wraps right now in Maryland. I'm telling you. Yeah. With the pipes too, with the 4.5 inch pipes on that thing. Cause I told you I didn't like the other pipes. I don't know what it was. It was probably 302 inch. That joint was too small. I did not like it. It looked cool for a little bit, but I already knew I was gonna change it, so I was ready to get it. But dude, when they get lower and I get some dude rims, y'all can't tell me my 300 is about to be lit. Bro, this thing is beautiful. I'm loving it, bro. This is my 300. With the SRT grill on that thing too. And you know the carbon fiber by East Coast Hydrographic. Come on, man. I gotta get East Coast Hydrographic to redip these. But I didn't get these from East Coast Hydrographic. So I got these off eBay already like that. So you see the damage that's done to it. If I would have got it done by East Coast Hydrographics, this would not have happened. I already know that. I stand strong by my boy. So yeah, got the wicker build on that thing, boy. I'm telling y'all, I got so many things coming. I got the little fin right here, caliper covers, the different tires in the back. I'm about to get some big old meaty tires in the back too. Probably some 305s back there. Knock them things out. Probably some 275s right here. I'm telling y'all my secrets, man. I can't be telling y'all all my secrets, bro. This is what I do. Grizzly Marty, this is something that I've been wanting to do for years to come. Is start a YouTube channel and just do things about cars. I love cars. Cars has been my passion for years, bro. And now I get to show it, you know, to everybody that watch the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single god daggone day, man. Hey, We got more stuff coming, bro. I'm so excited for this weekend. I got a big surprise for y'all on the next video. I'll show y'all. I can't wait to show y'all. I can't wait to show everybody, bro, because it's truly special to my heart, and it's I just want to show y'all just everything, you know, that I got coming. I don't show everything to my personal life, but this is something that's gonna be in my personal life and my car. So it's gonna be really amazing for me. So shout out to everybody that's rocking with your boy Grizzly Marty. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Don't forget the ones that's not skipping the ads. Y'all definitely special because y'all definitely helped me out with modding my car. So this is the Grizzly Gang car and it's my car. But Grizzly Gang, I appreciate y'all for helping me with it. Also, I know I'm still paying a lot. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm not a big YouTuber at all, but I'm fairly decent because y'all really help me out with a lot of things, and y'all give me a lot of pointers. Say, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? I like those comments, man. I really do. Because I'm a car person. I'm an open-minded person. Also, I'm not closed-minded. If you have a closed mind, change that. Always have an open mind, because you're able to grow. You're able to grow bigger and better in yourself, and you're also to help other people. So always have that open mind, man. You know, I'm about to do a couple of revs real quick. Yo, that's for y'all, Grizzly Gang. Hey, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Oh, that's bad. I meant peace. I had the middle finger up. I didn't really do that on purpose. All right? I said peace, but I was holding something. But peace. Bye.